My element was tantalum. The symbol for tantalum is Ta, and it's in group 5. The chemical family name is the vanadium family, which are transition metals, and the atomic number is 73. Tantalum's atomic weight is 180.9479 atomic mass units, and the mass number is 181, and tantalum is a metal. Tantalum was found by Anders Gustav Ekberg in Sweden, and the origin of its name comes from Greek mythology, Zeus's son, King Tantalus, and the element was discovered from the metal being extracted from mineral samples, tantalite. Melting point is the temperature at which a given solid will melt, and the melting point of tantalum is 3,290 Kelvin. The boiling point is a temperature at which a liquid boils and turns to vapor. Tantalum's boiling point is 5,425 Celsius, and density is mass per unit volume. The density of tantalum is 16.654 grams per centimeters cubed at 293 Kelvin. The color is the quality of a substance or object with respect to light reflected by the object, and the color of tantalum is gray. Malleability is the ability of a metal to be hammered into thin sheets, and the malleability of tantalum is very malleable because it is a soft, ductile metal. Conductivity is the property or power of conducting heat, electricity, or sound, and tantalum is highly conductive. Ductility is the ability to be drawn out into a thin wire, and tantalum is highly ductile. Specific heat is the heat capacity of a sample of the substance divided by the mass of the sample, and tantalum is 0.14 joules per gram Kelvin. Some applications or uses for tantalum include being used to make alloys to increase strength, ductility, and corrosion resistance. It is also used in the electronics industry for capacitors and high-power resistors, and it's also used to make aircraft and missile parts in the Army. The abundance of tantalum on Earth is estimated to be an average about 2 parts per million, or 0.0002% by mass. Tantalum is found sometimes uncombined in nature, but it is typically found in the ore columbite tantalite, usually referred to as coltan. Once it is extracted, pure tantalum is a hard blue-gray lustrous metal. The preparation includes mining the tantalum, blasting, crushing, and transporting the resulting ore to begin the process of freeing the tantalum. Tantalum has 5 valence electrons, and the typical charge or common oxidation state is +5. Oxidation states describe the degree of oxidation of an atom in a chemical compound, and here's a list of the oxidation states of tantalum, +5 being the most common, a mildly acidic oxide. And then there's 3 elements of tantalum: tantalum trichloride, tantalum tetrachloride, and tantalum pentachloride. And then I have 3 balance equations. And then I have my resources. The most interesting fact that I found about tantalum is that the unstable tantalum 180 is the rarest isotope in the universe.